Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 2942, find words containing character. This is an easy problem and here we'll go through the intuition, approach and efficient solution, so keep watching. For this one we are given an array of strings, words and a character x, and our job is to return an array with indices representing the words that contain the character x. So let's see an example. Let's say we have this array of words with me and set, and x is the letter E. We are iterating this from left to right, so the I pointer is initially here at index 0, and first we are checking if me contains an E, and it does, so we add to the result the current index, which is 0. Next we move the I pointer. Now the I pointer is here and we are checking if the word set includes the letter E, and it does, so we add the current index, which is 1, to the result. So now the result is an array with 0 and 1. Next we update I, we reach the end and we return the array. Time complexity for this will be big O of n, because we are iterating this array, times the maximum size of a word, we will call this m, and space complexity will be big O of n because of this array we need to return. So now let's go with the code and hopefully you will get the idea. We'll start with n equals length of words and result is an empty array. And now for I in range n, if x is in words at I, we add to the result the current index. And finally we return the result. So this is the entire code, and now let's submit this. And as you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.